Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export an image on CapCut PC. So select your video or photo, for instance. Maybe you've edited it or something. I'm just going to add this, and I'm just going to go to adjustments here. I'm just going to add a few adjustments to the video. And then I'm just going to go here, select this icon, export still frame, type in your, the picture name, I guess, so it's easier to find, and so on, and you're just going to select export, and it's going to be exported as an image, depending on the frame you're at as well. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.